they clubbing, they chilling.
HIV. So it's true. Oh my God. My God. How can this happen to me? Oh God. What am I going to do? What should I do? Must I tell my wife? No, I can't do that. Oh my God. Oh God. What am I going to do? The king himself, HIV. The king does not travel alone. Somebody gave this to me, and I must pass it on. I am going to distribute this. I'm not going down alone. Watch out for me.
So beware, beware, oh, beware, oh, beware. Hey, you guys. Hey, what's up, man? Achiever. Achiever, why? On what the new Indian High Commissioner in this country? The Indian man in Africa. Wait. You know, I wish I can raise some money to do my music. Because I can feel this music is going to be a big hit. I mean, extra large. What do you think? Achiever, let's get. Oh, no better forget about this music thing. Why you not gonna reach anywhere in this country? Me tell you no. Find something better to do what you want no time. And not this music thing. You can't reach anywhere. Me tell you no. Wait. It seems you guys don't believe in my vision, but I've got the mission to fulfill, you know. My style of music is not high life, it's not hip life. It's high life, hip life, and Indian style. And it's India. And I know I'm going to make it big right here in Ghana. Achiba, let's get. Forget about this bombo clat. Dibby Bombay music you're thinking of.
Hey, brothers. Brother, don't be discouraged. One thing you must know is believe in your vision. If you listen to people like this, they will always discourage you.
I feel come out for there. What do you know?
Look, Achiba. There are better jobs to do than music. Have you seen any musician make it big in Ghana? Look, with your style of music, it's better you go to India to perform your hip India.
Hey, he doesn't need to go to India. Lumba and Kojenchi have made it here. And I believe he can also make it.
Oh, man. Let's get. Kojenchi and Lumba, them have made it. A thing you're talking about. But then do Ghanaian music. Them now do bombo class Bombay music.
Kojenchi and Lumba, where do they live? They live in Europe. Okay? Look, Achiba, if you want to do any music, please do gospel music.
Let's get. And if him a go there, them a players them do, them a music studio.
Yeah.
If him trip there too, he go check so. Hey, Mr. Bombay man, aka Achiba representing. Hey, Mr. Selector, roll it. Jimmy. Acha Anas. Hey, Mr. Bombay man, what one? Mr. Bombay man.
And give us the Indian style.
Give us Indian style, man. Hey, Bombay man, roll it. Bombay. Mr. Bombay man.
I love you. I love you.
What is that?
Condom.
Look, for how long do you want me to wear condom? Look, Tina, if you still insist on the use of condom, then please, leave my room.
Come on, Casey. We both had an understanding. I made it clear to you that we will use condoms until we are married. Are you my husband yet or not?
If I'm not your husband yet, what the hell are you doing in my bed? Please, get out of here before you get me angry.
Come on, Casey. We understand this.
Just get out of my room.
Do you want it raw? If you want it raw, then let's go for the HIV test.
Are you crazy? Do I look like an HIV victim? Don't I look strong enough to you? Look, the more you stay here, the more you make me angry. Get out of my house.
It doesn't matter whether you are healthy or strong or whatever. You could be an HIV carrier. Let's go for the test.
Listen to her. Now, get out. Get out! Out! Get out! This girl has gotten herself out of the net. Well, there are many more out there Beware. You are my next victim.
Tina! Tina! Tina!
Oh, Venice, how are you?
Fine. Where is Tina?
Tina is gone out. Fine.
Okay, Gloria, I have a little problem. Please help me out. I need some money. Could you please loan me some?
Poor you! Venice! The MP of this 2020 is your boyfriend. And you're here asking of money. I don't think you need the money.
Oh, Gloria, you know I don't know how to hold the men the way you do. But I seriously need this money, please. Okay?
Venice, listen to me. Go and tell this man that you're pregnant. And that you need money for abortion.
No, Gloria, this is too hard for me to do. I can't lie to him.
You can't lie to him.
I can't lie to him.
Haven't you told him that AHWEYIE is your cousin? Yeah, I don't think you need the money.
Gloria, I'm serious. Oh, Gloria. Gloria!
Good. So really my will betray. First Virginia me say bibia one emre. The jai say wo promema to pray. And I kwesi come go ko joho na yare. You kana want say wo panty ade. Yeah they say wo jina ho no hwe na wa hwe ase. So wo ho ye na go no be che wo crache. Baba so cram whoa so we ate.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So
Gentlemen, if I may ask, have you sterilized your instruments?
My sterilizer is not working. Why?
Oh my God, then I have to leave here.
My brother, what is your problem? Is he not ready to shave you?
He is ever ready to shave me, but I can't allow him to use unsterilized instrument on me. Don't you know by doing this you can easily pass on HIV virus to your customers?
My brother, what do you know about AIDS? Huh? What do you know about HIV/AIDS? Huh?
Let me tell you, I am a professional medical doctor. Do you hear me?
Professional medical doctor.
Oh yeah.
And so what?
Hey man, I'm a professional doctor and so what? You know me? I'm a professional barber. Born in Kingston. Practicing Croydon, London. And I'm working in Ghana here. What do you think?
Professional medical doctor. You are the people going from house to house giving misinformation about HIV/AIDS. Let me tell you, AIDS it's acquired by destiny. If you are destined to have it, no two ways about it.
Interesting. You have wrong perception about HIV. Let me tell you, HIV or AIDS is acquired by using unsterilized instruments like this. And also contaminated blood. And for this, you can easily pass on HIV/AIDS to your customers.
Hey man, don't come and misinform my customers.
Listen, this is not misinformation as you claim. Just that I want to tell you how HIV/AIDS is being transmitted. HIV/AIDS is acquired by using unsterilized instruments like this.
Hey, Mr. No.
And then also infected blood.
Mr. No.
So I advise you clean your instruments very carefully before using them on your customers.
And why are you being hired by the UN General Secretary to tell people how HIV/AIDS is transmitted? Take on a bomb clot nonsense away. Mr. No, just get up and leave.
Leave this place.
Get up and leave before I turn a madman.
Let me tell you, just I want the right for myself.
Leave.
Do you hear me?
Here.
I will, don't worry.
Leave. Mr. No at all.
Nonsense. Go away.
I will go.
Bomb clot.
He said he's what, a professional.
Tina, I haven't seen Casey for some time now.
Since the last time he sacked me from his house, he's never stepped here again.
You mean Casey sacked you from his house? Can't believe this. What happened?
Nothing really serious. We had an argument over the use of condoms. We both agreed that we were not going to have sex without condoms until we get married. All of a sudden, he changed his mind.
But that shouldn't bring misunderstanding between the two of you.
Why?
Tina, I think you're being too rigid. You've known Casey for almost 8 months now. So why?
My rule is simple. I will not have sex with anybody who is not my husband without condoms. Period.
What are you afraid of? You think AIDS will penetrate your body? You think AIDS can penetrate our body? Or you think he's HIV positive?
Look, Nana. Everybody is a potential carrier. Even you.
Me?
Yes.
AIDS is afraid of my body. Forget it.
Well, whoever I marry in future will have to go for an HIV test before.
Hey. Really? I am waiting to see that man.
Madam Pentecost.
Being quiet all this while. What's the problem?
Benis, I need some money to go to studio. And I've spoke to one engineer and he's asking for 4 million cedis for down payment. And I don't have this kind of money. I don't know what to do. I'm confused.
Sonny, I wish I could raise this amount of money, but I can't help you. 4 million is too much.
Benis! Are you saying you cannot help me with 4 million cedis? So, you are among those people, huh? Try to pull me down. Just drink, okay? Get some drink.
Okay, you give me up to Thursday, okay? I'll try and get it for you. Okay?
Wow. I love that.
Are you happy now?
I'm happy. You know. Only me dofwe Mente di ubia beka Uni hua mintu mina Odobra befe manu Unimza uni miwiazi bibia Oh, Benis as soon as
So, how are you doing?
Well, not bad. I hope you are not here to play it on behalf of Tina.
Well, I just want to know what really happened between the two of you.
And I wish we drop any discussions on Tina. I mean, how can somebody I date for 8 months continue to insist on the use of condom? Look, are you aware I plan buying a house for her? And I've ordered for a 4th sport car in her name. How can a girl I intend to marry behave like that?
But there's nothing really wrong with using condom.
The fact is, I have never used condom in my life before. But I agreed to her terms because of the love I have for her. I mean, how can I enjoy toffee in its wrapper? Look, I'm even prepared to, go out with any girl who agreed to my terms.
You're right. You must do it raw, at least for once, to have the real taste and feel of her.
That's good. How about you taking the things and if I had seen you before, I wouldn't have gone in for Tina in the first place.
Okay, Casey, darling. You know what? I have really been waiting for this opportunity to let you know how I feel for you. The way I look at you, the way I admire you. Can we sort of start some secret affair?
No problem. And in that case, there's no need to waste time. Can I show you something in my bedroom?
Why not? Go.
Come on, let's go.
Casey, darling.
Well, I am like the hunter. I shoot any animal that comes my way. Beware, you are my next victim.
Life is not as easy as it looks, so sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time, so beware.
Bravo yen to boisier. Tidia wo ye bia nya botre. Kokosa jifa wodi me panyin tre. Ade wo ho be da no hwe wo bi ehu abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Feso jinya me de se bibia wone mre. Ye jai se wo krome ma to pre. Ena kwesi kome kwakwadwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo kwante ade. Ye de se wo gina ho no hwe ye na wahwe ase. Se wo ho ye na go no be che wo krache. Baba so kra my whoa so we ni ate.
Life is not as easy as it looks, so sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow.